Welcome to a world where technology evolves faster than a blink of an eye. Today, we delve into the labyrinth of three such technologies: Next.js, React.js, and Node.js. Each one unique, each one powerful, and while they all serve a myriad of purposes, we'll narrow our focus to their routing systems, comparing and contrasting to illuminate their distinctive features. Firstly, we marvel at Next.js, a React framework that offers a file system-based routing mechanism. A highlight of Next.js is its simplicity. Create a file under the Pages directory, and voila, you have a new route. Next.js automatically maps each file in the Pages directory to a route, making the process of creating new routes as easy as pie. It also supports dynamic routing, allowing developers to include route parameters in the file name. However, this simplicity might also be its Achilles heel. The file system-based routing can become cumbersome in large applications, where routes might need to be organized in a more complex manner. Swerving to React.js, we find a library that doesn't include routing out of the box. Enter React Router, a declarative routing library for React apps. React Router allows developers to define routes through components, resulting in an intuitive and highly flexible routing system. React Router supports dynamic routes, nested routes, and even route transitions. However, this flexibility comes with a slight overhead of complexity. The more complex your application becomes, the more intricate your routing structure may need to be with React Router. Finally, we set our gaze upon Node.js, a runtime environment that uses Express.js for routing. Express.js is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides robust routing mechanisms. It allows developers to define routes using middleware functions, which can handle different HTTP verbs, route parameters, and even wildcards. It's a highly flexible and powerful routing mechanism, but it may be considered overkill for simpler applications. In summary, each routing system has its strengths and its weaknesses. Next.js shines in its simplicity and ease of use, but may fall short in complex applications. React.js, with React Router, offers a more flexible and intuitive approach, but could become intricate in more complex applications. Node.js, with Express.js, provides a robust and flexible routing system, capable of handling complex applications with ease, but may be seen as an overkill for simpler ones. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all in the world of technology. The right tool depends on the job at hand. Whether it's Next.js with its file system-based routing, React.js with its component-based routing, or Node.js with its middleware functions, each has a place in the ever-evolving landscape of web development. So arm yourself with knowledge and choose wisely.